Dina Nazir, and this is my 9th year in the industry, Malaysian music industry. It's actually not just music industry, it's also film industry, radio, drama, television, and everything, thank God. But I have to say, after 9 years, it has not been that easy. I started with music. That time, Malaysian's music industry was more about the package, the look, the everything. You have to sound good, you have to look good, and at the same time, you have to be intelligent at that time. But it was very difficult for me to sign to any recording labels because of my size. I'm not that much a person who's like, oh, I want to be skinny because I want to look pretty in a size. And first and foremost, I want to be easier, and I want to please, and I want to make it a point to my fans that it's not impossible. That's the main thing and why I want to lose weight. Not to be like totally slim, but to prove a point that if you're not happy with the way you are, you can change it. So nothing is impossible. When I was approached by Busybody, I was really excited because I've tried, it's like my New Year's resolution to lose weight every year for the last 10 years, so it didn't work. I was really happy when Busybody approached. I was quite scared, I have to admit, because it's a commitment that I have to give. Then everybody's so friendly, they give me all these things, all this knowledge where I never knew before. Especially they have this thing called eye slimming treatment, or eye slimming, intelligent slimming. They actually read what's actually in your body, which is very impressive. They know the body mass count, they know the muscle count, they know all the nutrients in your body, what do you have more, what do you have less, your muscle count, which is very impressive. Busybody provided me with a dietitian who is so awesome because she's with me all the time. I think that is the most important part of all, because when you go on diet, the temptation, especially if you're a person who's passionate about food, the temptation is crazy. Yes, but what about a person who uses his energy or her energy all the time, every day, and who's constantly on the move like I am? So they will actually cater a customary diet for you, and it's just for you. It's not for you to share with your friends or what. It's just for you. And if it doesn't work, they'll customize another diet. They plan every single step for you, especially for you, and you just need to be honest and say, oh, okay, this diet is working for me, this diet is not working for me, and it's a bit difficult because I'm on the go all the time. So they actually cater the diet for you, which is awesome, which is definitely awesome. I have to admit, my favorite treatment is Lipo-CTS because the result is almost instantly. Within an hour, you can see, within an hour plus, you can see the results almost instantly. Personally, I saw the difference with the shape of my mid area, because the problem that I have the most is actually my tummy. My tummy is so happy. He wants to show himself all the time, which is remarkable, amazing that Lipo-CTS actually gets that in proper shape, flattened down, tucked it up within one session, which end of the week, it's the treatment that I look forward to the most because it gives you most results. And within twice that I did Lipo-CTS, I could wear a dress that I've never worn, because when I bought it, the size was a bit too big, too small for the mid area. So I could wear that dress. I was so happy. I shared it with the dietitian and it's like, oh my God, I could wear this dress. And yeah, it's because of the Lipo-CTS. It's really intelligent. The machine is really intelligent. It breaks down your fat. It sculptures your body at the same time, and it tightens your skin at the same time, because I'm just bored with the way that I look right now because I keep dressing up the same way, the safest way. And I just want to put more spice in life, and I hope after a few months I won't be alone anymore lah. Maybe someone will approach me, damn girl, you look fine. Those are the things, but I love working out. I get better sleeps after that, and it complements your treatment here as well, which is so awesome. And the results are faster, And yeah, I'm looking forward to live a healthier life, to live a healthier Dina, and actually to prove a point that if you're not happy with the way you look, or you're not happy with things going for you, you can do a difference.